Okay, good day, ma'am and sir. So we are the faculty from the Criminal Justice Education, and we are asking for your participation in answering a survey for our institutional research entitled The Self-Concept of Criminology Students in Davao Central College Towards Professional Aspiration. So this research will determine your insights and behavior as a criminology students enrolled in Davao Central College regarding your self-concept towards the criminology profession. So this will only take a few minutes of your time. Please read the questions carefully before answering, and rest assured that your answers will be kept confidential. So naat ko'y letter of consent diri ma'am na magpamatuod na ang kaning pagiging participants ninyo sa kanina study is dili pinugsanay. So mamalihog lang kog sulat sa inyong pangalan, sa inyong address, o pakipirma na lang po sa name and signature and date sa baba. Okay, so let's start with research question number 1. How do the participants see themselves as a criminology professionals? At the first, why do you want to become a criminology professional? And how do you see yourself as a criminology professional? Ano ba yung mga influences na makes you decide na piliun ang kurso na criminology? So let's start with Neneng B.
So for me, ma'am, because I have an interest in criminal justice system and a desire to understand why people commit crimes and understanding the contributing to justice and making positive impact on society by addressing its roots causes. So number 2 is, as a criminology professional, I envision myself as a dedicated advocate for justice and catalyst for positive change in communities, working to understand and addressing the factors contributing to crime and more equitable society.
So I want to become a criminologist professional. The reason that to prevent crime, maintaining the peace by enforcing the legal laws, and make communities safer. And that's the reason, ma'am, why I want to become a criminologist professional. And the number 2 question is that I can see myself as a professional, like being a law enforcement that we can enforce laws and regulations within our community. And here it involves like patrolling the street in our society, responding to emergencies, and to investigate crimes and apprehending suspects. We aim in this job or become a professional, this aim that protecting and serving the public while we fostering trust and collaboration between law enforcement and the community.
I want to be a criminology professional po because since bata pa po interested ako sa mga crime investigation and I think po nga ang mga law enforcer po is very admirable. Very admirable po kina-serve mo nila ang community tapos then I want to be someone po nga kanang maka-help o bring justice sa mga na-oppressed na tao.
Nag-cream ko to help my community na ma-safe sila, ma'am, and also gusto na ko mag-work o paglikuran ang inang bayan, ma'am, and gusto ba na ako sa kanang why pod nag-cream ko, ma'am, kay gusto na ko maano pa ang mga balaod ba tawagan na yes, ma'am, know better mo.
So nag-criminology ko tungod kay gusto ko mahimong role sa uban. Then sa kuha is mauni nga kurso ang makadetermine ka kung unsa ang criminal behavior sa katao.
I want to become a criminology professional due there to understand crime and contribute to justice. I see myself to passionate about studying the crime and analyzing criminal behavior. To influence decision to pursue as a criminology is myself. I think kasi gusto ko maintindihan, malaman kung ano ba talaga ang crime.
So, nag-criminology ko kay gusto na ko ma-enhance akong self-confidence, makabalo ko sa akong rights o makabalo ko sa proper step on serving justice mo.
Nag-criminology ko ma'am kay na-inspired ko sa akong relatives na naiti karon na nasa karon ma'am.
Question number 1 is, why do you want to become a criminology professional? Since I was a child, ma'am, ginahiligan na dyan ako ng pusil, ma'am. Yeah. And until now, ma'am, na hiligan niya po na ako. Tigaran, ma'am. Yeah. Antog, gusto ko mahimong criminology professional, ma'am. And number 2, how do you see yourself as a criminology professional? Maybe ma'am feel na ko sa akong gusto ko ma-serve sa ma'am as a BFP ma'am, Bureau of Fire Protection, mahibawaan kung unsa ang nahitabo, kung anong nasunog ng ma'am, investigate na
Ako why do you want to become a criminology professional? Para sa kuha, para mag-serve ko sa community ug i-share na ko akong natun-an sa community kung unsaon pagsabot nganong naay crime ug unsaon siya pag-avoid or paglikay, ma'am. Sa number 2, how do you see yourself as a criminology professional? Para sa kuha, mo contribute ko og mag-serve gihapon if mahimong akong isa ka law enforcer, ma'am.
Sige, let's proceed to question number 3. How does the expected profession help develop self-esteem of the participants? How does your expected profession help you to develop your self-esteem? Nakatabang ba gyud ang inyong gipili na kurso na para ma-develop ang inyong self-esteem, inyong confidence, ang inyong trust sa inyong sarili, no? Or can you give a scenario or example, no, na ang criminology as a profession or as a course is nakatabang yun sa inyo to develop your self-esteem or self-confidence?
To help expected profession help me develop my self-esteem because here I can use my knowledge and abilities to make significant contributions in my intended profession, which gives me a sense of satisfaction. Furthermore, being successful and well recognized in my fields gives me more self-worth and confidence. So, in this scenario, ma'am, is akong life, which is nisulod ko ani nga course because kanang term nga na daghan kog weaknesses, but then those weaknesses is na face na ko siya it because of this course, and that's why I can feel myself as a profession because even though nga daghang struggles nga ako naagian ani nga course is nagamotivate gihapon siya as to value and also to have to boost my confidence to face this course po.
Criminology, ma'am, kay it helps me to develop my self-esteem, self-worth, and confidence. So, by continuously learning and growing, ma'am. Then, like sa ROTC po, kaning gina-train me nila to be mentally and physically strong.
ang nakatabang ang self-esteem, ma'am, na ma-develop akong sarili, ma'am, to gain more confidence, maiwasan ang insecurities nimo sa imong sarili nga di nimo kaya ang mga pangbuhaton sa ROTC sa mga training, ma'am. I-boost ka dito ang kayahon nimo, ma'am, kay mao na imong gipili nga kuan, ma'am, kurso.
So makatabang ni siya sa akong pag-develop sa akong self-esteem by overcoming my fear o buhaton ako permi ang ako ang best sa akong ginabuhat sa akong pangadlaw na kinabuhi mo.
For me, ma'am, by allowing me contribute to society, positively advocate for justice and make difference in communities. So, sa question number 2 is leads to impactful policy changes, providing support to crime victims and collaborating with diverse stakeholders to develop effective crime prevention strategies. Seeing tangible improvements in community safety and well-being as a result of my efforts will further enhance my sense of accomplishment and confidence in my abilities as a criminology students. Professionals.
Para sa kuha, ma'am, kay makatabang jud siya sa pag-develop kay parehas anang reporting, ma'am, sa school ma-develop jud imong communication skills ug unsaon siya pag-socialize sa society.
So masual yapon kay sa ma'am sa previous nang nag-answer, ma'am, na ma-enhance imong pwedeng mag-communicate sa lain tao, ma'am, para di ka dili cool ba, ma'am?
Dili kurba kung nakurbaan ka. Sige. Next, how do you see yourself as an ideal criminology graduate? So what do you think you could contribute to your profession? Ano ba yung mako-contribute niyo, no, into your chosen profession? And can you provide some scenarios that could illustrate your vision of being ideal criminology graduate?
So for me, ma'am, I see myself as someone who possesses a strong foundation and theoretical knowledge, critical thinking skills, empathy, and a commitment to social justice. I aim to be adept at applying these attributes to address complex issues, advocate for marginalized communities, and contribute positively to creating safer. So question number 2 is, I believe I could contribute to my profession by conducting innovative research, advocating for evidence-based policies, supporting crime prevention initiative among diverse stakeholders to address the root causes of crime, and promote justice and equity, the impact of socioeconomic factors in urban areas.
I see myself as a criminology graduate as a role model sa mga kabataan. If na ay crime sa mga community, first, I will help them to determine the crime or causes sa crime. Then, example sa crime is nanangawat, and then ako ang i-help ang among community or ang offender nganong nabuhat niya to na crime.
I see myself as an ideal criminology graduate is about to analyze ethical and dedicated to make research about crime rates, and contribute is about conduct a deep research on crime trends and prevention strategy. An example is your community is higher crime rates, and you are lead a research project that analyze the effectiveness of your community policy initiative in reducing crime rates.
So participants see themselves as ideal criminology students when they possess a mix of academic knowledge, practical skills, and personal qualities such as strong understanding of theories, analytical skills, empathy, and ethical integrity.
So how do you see yourself? I envision myself as a knowledgeable and empathetic and proactive professional. So, what what do you think you contribute to your profession? So, by sharing my knowledge and expertise. So, for example, if kanang naimangutana sa kuha kung unsay lang dapat buhaton sa ilahang sitwasyon like kanang na pasangin na sila og mga nangawa sila ba niya itudlo na sila ang step by step sa ilahang mga buhaton para madawog sila sa ilahang kaso, ma'am.
Sige. Any additional, kisa pang wala ka to ba?
So, I see the perfect criminology graduate to be someone who has a thorough understanding of criminal behavior, excellent research and analytical abilities, and a strong commitment to meaningfully advancing community justice and crime prevention. So, for example, is that if ever nga kanang na-grape as a criminologist graduate, I understand if unsay process, if how i-process ang isa ka crime to have some evidence by having an autopsy, which is part na siya sa natun-an na mo when we are still a criminology student.
I see myself as an ideal criminology graduate by internalizing and the theoretical and practical knowledge I gain and apply them in the real world. Like kanang nag-argument ma'am, mag-argue tapos kanang imbis na mag-reach ka conclusion dito kay kailangan mo mag-analyze ka sa different perspective nila ma'am, then bago ka mag-reach sa conclusion.
Wala na? Okay na? So, let's proceed to the last question. What experiences in your self-concept you can share with others? So, in what ways do you think your personal experiences with self-concept can offer valuable insight or lesson to those who hear your story? Ano ba yung makukuha nila by hearing your story? And provide example that highlights the key moments in your self-concept journey that you think would be impactful for others to hear. No, mga experience ninyo as a criminology students.
So the self-concept that I can share with other is kay bisag unsa kalisod sa ato ang kinabuhi. Hinahinayan lang nato hangtod sa magi nato ang gusto nato ma-achieve sa life.
So sa una, sa dili pa ko criminology student, mahadlok ko miskwila tungod makaana ko sa akong sarili ba na dili na ko kaya tungod po siguro sa ako ang kadak-on sa akong lawas na kasi dili na ko kaya ang ROTC ba, pero wala na ko na siya ginabutang sa una-una nga mamahimong weakness dako. Tungod po sa akong mga amigo, barkada nga naka-eskwela og una og criminology, gina-encourage ko nila nga dili padala sa mga inaana nga mga una-una og eskwela lang untod na makasulod kag criminology nga daghang kag matun-an.
What experiences and your self-concept you can share with others? Ma-share na ko sa ilaha ma'am. Ako tong saka nag-cream ko ma'am, nagduwa-duwa pa ko kung sa jud ako ang gustong akwaon, pero giboost ako akong sarili mga akwaon nga kurso kay mao jud akong gusto. Tapos kanang kabalo ko nga gamayon ko payaton nga maagi kag insecurity sa imong sarili nga sa training kantay maka-overthink ka, kaya ba nina ako, mabuhat ba nina ako, i-boost nimo imong kaugalingon nga kayanon nimo ma'am. Tapos In what ways do you think your personal experiences with self-concept can offer valuable insight or lesson? Ang nalison sa akong sarili, ma'am, nga kung unsa ang kalisod sa imong sarili unsang difficulty o problema nga moabot sa imo, ma'am, kayanon jud nimo, ma'am, to achieve your dreams, ma'am.
So, what experience I provide and what experience in your life concept that you can share with others. So, ang ma-share na ako kay sa una kay ulawon yung kay ko niya. So, gud atong grade 12 niya nag-ingon na so tungod sa akong kalawon niingon na to akong advisor kung nabo koy problema. So, naingon akong mama na inanaragi na siya, ulawon yung gina siya. So, gud atong pandemic is niya nagduwa-duwa po ko na mag-criminology student ko kay gina-down ko sa akong pamilya ba or sa akong lola ka na ngano mag-criminology man ka na payat man kay ikaw niya ulawon pag yun. So mo tong gihimon akong motivation ako niya ako ang i-prove sa ilahan na mali sila niya mo tong nag-criminology ko, ma'am. Padayon ako.
So for me, ma'am, by demonstrating the importance of resilience, empathy, continuous learning, and making positive impact on society. Sharing my journey can inspire others to embrace their strength, pursue their passion, and contribute meaningfully in their communities. In my self-concept journey was when I volunteered at local youth center mentoring at Christine, witnessing their resilience and growth through challenging circumstances helped me realize the power of empathy and advocacy in making difference. This experience, ignited by my passion for criminology and reinforced my belief in the importance of supporting marginalized communities.
Member ka of organization? Sige.
Sa kuwan guro, ma'am, i-share siguro na ako katong experience na ko itong nadaog ko sa isa ka tournament. So gusto ka mo daog sa isa ka butang. So salamat po ko sa tabang sa ROTC tungod na kay na develop ako ang pagka-disiplinado, no, mo kawan ko saktong oras niya. Kung unsay ipabuhat nila sa kuha, buhaton ako o take lang, and then tako siya impact sa kuha sa community.
Ako.
Sige,
Ako ma-share lang sa ko ito ang ma-share na ko kay before ko nag attempt before mag-college ka-decide dugay na ko naka-decide na mag-cream ko kay gusto na ko makuan ako ang confidence, maboost akong confidence o ako ang pagka-civilian manner mawala o parang take and take lang wala.
So, okay na? Mana? Wala na no? Nakatubag na batanan? Ay, isa last. Sige, mana.
Ang experience na ako ma-share, ma'am, kay kanang tong elementary ko, ma'am, kay badminton player, ma'am, ko, tapos patay na isa ka game, ma'am, nga kanang napildi jud ko, ma'am, po, tapos na ano jud ako ang to kaning parang nagduda jud ko sa ko ang ability ato, ma'am, kung kuan jud na ko kaya ba jud na ko or dili. So mo to pag graduate talaga ako elementary nga wala ko nagpadayad og badminton, tapos iba pag high school ako kay balikan ko sa ako teacher nga ano siya nga ako day magpresent sa mga sa pang school nga nakakado kay nagduda na may gusto ko sige nga dili na ako kaya, tapos tapos mo to nga pero tungod sa akong teacher, ma'am, kay nagpadayon ko kanang dula ato nga nga game. Tapos kanang lang, ma'am, ang ma-share lang na ako nga lesson kay kanang kung naay ka ng something nga, di mo makaya og buhat, kailangan ka ano lang ka ma'am, kanang mag-step forward lang jud ka ma'am kay kanang sa imong sarili lang na ma'am kay na may ubang tao nga nito sa imong ability.
So my self-concept that I can share with others by sharing my experience of overcoming self-doubt and being persistent in my pursuit of academic and professional goals, I can help others understand the significance of resilience and self-belief in forming their own self-concept. In short, embrace the complexity, navigate the shadows, and illuminate the path toward justice in the labyrinth of criminology's challenges.
This time ma'am kay kanto ni siyang ma'am, pandemic era ma'am. So nag-stop ko 2 years ma'am kay tungod sa ma'am sa sakit nako ma'am na kaning kato fatty liver ma'am. Then ako ang dugo pod ma'am kay na infection ma'am. So mao to ma'am nagka-struggle gid mi sa amo ato ma'am na time ma'am kay need lagi og kanang financial na kwarta ma'am. Tapos katupod na time ma'am kay na anuhan pod ko og kaning na COVID daw ko ma'am, COVID ko ma'am ba na tapos mo to ma'am nakabayad may mga 100,000 ma'am. Tapos karon raw kabalik og eskwela kay tungod atong panghitabuan ma'am. So ang ako lang advice lang is kanang bisan pag unsa ka lisod sa kinabuhi kay pwede ra nato na hinahinayan jud mao lang.
Okay mo. Wala kayo na tanan na? Okay na nakatubag na tanan. So thank you jud kayo sa inyong pag-participate o pag-cooperate ani na survey kanina. So, pwede ta mag-picture for documentation. Thank you.